You can open the official FreeCAD website by opening your browser and entering the URL www.freecad.org. Click Download to go to the download page. We've chosen to download and install FreeCAD version 1.0, which is about to be officially released and offers significant performance improvements. You need to choose the corresponding file based on your operating system type. If you are using Windows, please choose the file ending with .exe. If you are using Mac, please choose the file ending with .dmg. If you are using Linux, please choose the file ending with .appimage. Additionally, for Linux or Mac systems, there are x86 and ARM architecture types. You need to select based on your computer's type as well. Besides accessing the download page from the official website, you can also reach it through the FreeCAD GitHub project page. Thanks for watching.